As filmmakers, we often spend long hours in the studio, filming, script planning, or working on any creative project. Keeping the workspace clean can feel just like one more task on the list, which is why having a reliable floor cleaning robot can feel invaluable, saving us time and keeping the space looking clean and polished. This is why today, we're taking a closer look at the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone robot vacuum and mop. This is the latest flagship vacuum cleaner from ECOVACS, and honestly, after using it for a while, this thing has been a huge lifesaver, letting us focus on our creative projects while it keeps our workspace and entire house clean. It basically feels like having your own personal cleaning assistant. That's how awesome this thing is. The DEEBOT X11 isn't just a traditional vacuum cleaner, it's a revolutionary floor washing robot designed for modern smart homes. Packed with high-end features, it delivers powerful performance with advanced vacuuming and mopping, and a very strong suction that gets the job done efficiently. One of my favorite features of the ECOVACS X11 is its PowerBoost system. It lets the robot recharge quickly during mop cleaning sessions, so it doesn't run out of battery, making it ideal for larger homes or studios. It comes with the Nylon Roller 2.0, a high-density nylon roller that spins at around 200 RPM as part of the advanced self-washing rotating mop system. Basically, it scrubs deeply, tackles tough stains, and even cleans itself automatically at the docking station, which is a really nice feature to have. The DEEBOT X11 comes with AI VI 3D 3.0 AI navigation to move intelligently around your home, which allows the robot to distinguish various household items like shoes, cables, toys, and other items. It comes with a powerful 19,500 PA suction with blast technology, and also the ability to handle both dry debris and wet messes. Like I mentioned, it also includes a base station that automatically washes and dries the mop, which can save you a lot of time. With a clean, minimal design and sleek brush metal look finish, the X11 blends elegantly into any modern home or creative workspace. Its solid build is well thought out, featuring an innovative triangular mop and a multifunctional base station that takes care of the washing and drying the mop in a one compact unit. So one of the things that I really love about the X11 is its world's first OmniCyclone station, which features a bagless design that makes emptying the dustbin effortlessly. This is a huge selling point for me because this means you don't have to keep buying disposable bags. Just remove the dustbin, empty it, reinsert it, and you are good to go. Additionally, the station also uses PowerBoost technology to quickly recharge the battery during mop cleaning sessions, restoring 6% in just 3 minutes. So together, these innovations allow the X11 to deliver uninterrupted, intelligent-driven cleaning across up to 10,764 square feet, even at max settings, ensuring consistent performance without any manual interventions. When taking a look at the base station, it becomes clear that this is a flagship product made with really high quality materials. I really like this brush metal look, which makes it overall look very premium, and overall, it just has that really nice modern look which will complement nicely with any home space. Like I mentioned, one of the standout features of this vacuum is the Pure Cyclone 2.0 Auto Empty technology, which doesn't require any bags. Not only is it more efficient, but it also saves you from constantly having to replace bags, which is really nice. If we look on top of the station, you'll find the clean and dirty water tanks. At the bottom left, there's 2 trays that you can add a cleaning solution. One is for regular and one is for heavy duty. Now, taking a look at the front of the DEEBOT X11, you'll find the AI VI 3.0 sensors and the camera, which allows the robot to accurately mop your home, navigate smoothly, and avoid obstacles with precision. When you flip the robot over, you'll find the new OZMO Roller 2.0 at the back, along with the main cleaning brush. It uses a 45-degree bristles that guide hair towards the center and help reduce tangling. This is especially ideal if you own pets. It also has a new mechanical climbing levers next to the wheels that helps the X11 climb thresholds up to 4 centimeters, which is honestly really impressive. Lastly, on top, you've got the anti-tangle side brush, which redirects dirt and hair inwards towards the suction, helping it pick up more without getting tangled. At the core of the DEEBOT X11 is ECOVACS AI-assisted True Mapping 3.0 system. Powered by an advanced LiDAR and AI camera, it doesn't just see your home, it understands it. The X11 can identify more than 100 household objects, from tiny obstacles to tangled cables, pet toys, slippers, or furniture. As it moves through your space, it constantly analyzes and adjusts its cleaning path in real time, smoothly navigating around anything on its way. It reacts with the kind of awareness and precision you would expect from a human, adapting intelligently to whatever environment you put it in. Now, one of the things that really impressed me about this vacuum cleaner is how easy it is to clean all those really tight corners. With other vacuums, I had a lot of problems cleaning, especially the really tight corners, but with the X11, it's really easy to clean corners because it features an air cushion suspended roller with an extended 0.59 inch reach. Now, let's talk about the most important thing on any vacuum robot cleaner, and that is how well does it actually perform when cleaning. Honestly, this is by far one of the best robot cleaners I've ever used to this day. I put this thing to the test when it comes to picking crumbs, dust, pet hair, dried spells, and even some sticky spots on the floor, and it handled everything with ease. The DEEBOT X11 has a really solid cleaning system for everyday stuff like crumbs, dust, or pet hair. It uses its zero tangle brush, a single side brush, and that super strong 19,500 PA suction to pull everything off your floors. It keeps good contact with the ground as well, so you get a deeper clean without hair getting stuck in the brush. For mopping, the X11 uses ECOVACS OZMO Roller 2.0 system. It's a rotating roller mop that constantly scrubs the floor while refreshing itself with clean water. So instead of just wiping the floor like basic robot mops, this one actually scrubs and lifts up sticky dirt, spills, and marks. One of the smartest things about the DEEBOT X11 is how it separates wet and dry messes. For example, if it detects it's approaching a wet area while it's vacuuming, the robot automatically lifts both sides of the brush and the main brush. That way, it doesn't drag dirty water around your floor. And when it switches to vacuuming carpet, the roller mop lifts up as well, so your carpet never gets wet. And even if the robot was just vacuuming a second before, it's a seamless transition. The X11 knows exactly when to lift and when to clean. Together, these systems let the robot clean smarter. It vacuums dry dirt, scrubs wet spills, and protects your carpet, all without you doing anything. You just set it up and let it handle everything on its own. Now, like I mentioned before, corners and edges are where most robot vacuums struggle the most, but the X11 handles them effortlessly. Its True Edge 3.0 system combines a side brush that reaches right up to the baseboards with a roller mop that extends, like I said, about 0.59 inches past the robot's body. Paired with this smart navigation, this lets the X11 delivers a truly thoughtful wall-to-wall cleaning experience, something that most robot mops just can't achieve. And overall, whether you're using this robot vacuum on ceramic tile or carpet, it does an incredible job of leaving both surfaces looking really clean without missing a single spot. Another great feature is the mechanical climbing levers, which makes sure the X11 isn't held back by floor thresholds that would stop most of the other vacuums. Its TruePass 4-wheel system lets it climb obstacles up to 4 centimeters tall. Now obviously it won't go up to full stairs, but being able to handle those small bumps and edges is actually pretty impressive. Another really impressive feature that it also has is AI stain detection, which basically lets it adjust to how it cleans depending on how bad the mess is. For light stains, it just does a quick remop, but if it detects something tougher, it switches to a deep clean remop mode, doing 2 cross patterns passes and rinses the mop with a stronger cleaning solution to really break down all the stains and prevent cross-contamination. With the ECOVACS Home app, you can also control the X11 anywhere right from your phone. You can start and stop cleaning, choose which room or zones to clean, and even schedule automatic cleanings. The app also shows a live map on your home so you can see where it's cleaned. Plus, the X11 works with voice commands. For example, you can simply say, "Eco, vacuum the kitchen," and it will automatically get out of the base station and clean the kitchen, which is a really nice feature to have. You can also use the built-in camera on the X11 to keep an eye on its cleaning progress from anywhere. One thing I also noticed while using the X11 is how it handles long hair. Unlike other vacuum robots that get tangled up, the X11 features Zero Tangle 3.0 brushes, and I haven't had to cut hair out of the rollers once. If you got pets or long hair at home, you know how huge this is. I also tested the suction with flour and rice on my rug, and it picked up everything with no leftovers. And the best part is the maintenance is minimal on this vacuum. The OmniCyclone station empties the dustbin into a bagless 1.25 liter bin that can last up to 38 days, then hot soaks and rinses the roller mop before drying it with warm air. It basically takes care of the whole thing, so this means you don't really have to do anything. You can just, empty it out and put it back in and you'll be good to go. And overall, if you're looking for a robot vacuum that offers impressive features and performance, and especially if you own pets or have large home, this will be a game changer for you. And I can highly recommend the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11. It's honestly, like I said, one of the most impressive robot vacuums I have ever used. And as always, if you want to pick one up, click the link down below in the description of this video. And also, let me know what your favorite feature is, but that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.